Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. 10 more minutes, Thunder Chief Bill in action. Hey guys, Joe, mailman showed up today, buddy. I do have some fans out there. Got this box today, everybody. Mailman came up to the door, ding dong. Box out there. Hands me the box. Open it up, there's this letter inside. From Joe. Very nice guy, but fragile. This side up. And look what was inside. He made us a cockpit and some men for the Thunder Chief. Can you believe it? Now, and what he said was he was building a cockpit for his F-18 and had some spare parts and looked up online and got it semi-scale, man. You know, it's semi-scale. He said we could use it for the prototype and a mock-up for the scale one for Luke and just have fun with it. Wait till you guys see this. Oh man, that looks awesome. Check him out. We got the zombie jet pilot. You rock, man. That is the coolest thing ever. That looks awesome, man. He really does. Oh, got a broken arm. Maybe so he can hold a stick. Yeah. Oh yeah, that frees up the wrist. Man, that's a cool pilot. He's a zombie. That is awesome. Got him some period accurate camouflage jumpsuit. You see that? Even got the hat. Got him some white gloves. Man, that's awesome. And he goes on in that letter. I know what's in here. He made another pilot. I got two of them. Oh wow. It does look pretty nice. Check it out. It's the Bobo wife. He says she can be the test pilot. That goes out there. Little chin strap. Man, she's hot. What do you guys think? That's awesome. Joe Felix Jr. You are the man. Zombie pilot. Man, she's kind of hot, fellas. What do you think? Should we let her be the test pilot? Man, that's a pretty nice cockpit, really, though. Got her a sidearm piece. Oh, yeah. Well, it looks like it came on glued off of something. To figure out where that goes. Man, that's a pretty awesome cockpit there, Joe. It'll work for the prototype. There's some more goodies. I think this is the dash. He said the dash was more out of a 105. Man, look at that, people. Bam, look at that. That is just awesome. Look at the mirror. Alright, Luke, you got some competition here, buddy. Let's see if you can build up better. Look at that. Joe Felix Jr. is the man. Bam, look at that. Look at that. Wow, that looks good. That's one of the best cockpits I have ever seen right there. Extra stuff. That is awesome, Joe. That's the best Christmas present I ever got in my life. That is awesome. Paul, you got to get on them canopies. I got to get on that opening canopy too, man. This is, people's got to be able to see this good. But Luke, he said we can, you know, don't get discouraged there, buddy. I knew nothing about this a few days ago when we talked, but it looks awesome. But you know what, Luke? I think if you dug down really deep, I think you can make a better one. I think you could do it, buddy. I believe in you. But I will say your job is cut out for you, and that looks awesome. I love it. Joe, you are the man. I love my zombie pilot and the hot chick. We'll take a vote. We'll let the voters decide who the test pilot should be. Zombie, Bob is the zombie, Bobo Zombie. No, that don't sound right. Zombie Bob. Bobo Zombie, man. That was awesome. That's too much, man. Deb's gonna like her zombie pilot. Or Deb's gonna like her pilot. We'll let her fly something. We'll let her fly something. We'll strap her in the F-16 right now. Let her take that bad boy for a few laps. But this is awesome. Zombies can fly jets, people. That's too much. That is too much. Alright, we gotta get serious again. I'm gonna put these up. But Joe, thanks a million, buddy. You are the man. And we're gonna let the fans decide. Hot chick pilot, hot Bobo wife pilot, or zombie dude. She's hot. Deb's gonna like that, man. Thanks. But the old timers are flashing, so I sat there and jawed away this whole 10 minutes. But thanks for tuning in. We'll be back with some more Bob TV. Don't forget to show them sponsors some love. Click around on them ads. You never know what you might find. Some good stuff out there in the Bobo world. So see you back in the shop. Same Bob time, same Bob